the nest of the bird. It's a very beautiful thing. There is only one creature. That one creature made this nest. What is that? It's a beautiful bird.
Wow.
The bird is a beautiful creature in the world. It sings songs in the morning and make us wake. The songs are too beautiful. Without birds, they cannot make us wake. The bird, then we cannot hear any beautiful songs from the
Wow.
birds.
Wow.
That's why we should save the birds. We should not hunt any birds.
We should
We should
put some water in the
some
summer.
water in the
Summer.
summer and grains
Yes,
for the
very good.
birds.
How birds will enter into the nest? Show me.
They will enter into the soul.
Wow. A very beautiful nest.
Yes, it's a beautiful nest. Bye.